Hi, today I'm gonna show you how the quickest way to delete your Instagram account. So you have to log in. You have to log into your account, and also click on your when you log in, click on your profile picture, and it will take you to another page for you to start the deleting process. So click on your profile picture and click on settings. And when you get to settings, click help. And you see this menu, click help center. Forget about this one and go to the left side and click on manage your account and click delete your account. Click on how do I delete my account and scroll down a little bit and click on delete your account. Here we go. So it's done. It's simple. It's although it's kind of it's kind of hidden, but it's kind of simple at the same time. So type in password and click delete your account, and everything will be deleted in 30 days. So that's how you basically delete your Instagram account. And also, if you wanna if you don't wanna delete your Instagram account and you wanna temporarily disable your account, you could do this one too. That one is a lot simpler. It's a lot simpler than deleting your account altogether. So that one, if you wanna temporarily disable your account, just click on your profile picture, go to settings, and all the way down you see at the bottom it says temporary disable your account. Click on that one and you bring it to this page. So you fill the form, type the password again, and you click on temporary disable your account, and you'll be good to go. Alright, thank you. Like and share if you like this video. Bye bye.